said that I would come. She said that she would wait.
Good day, everybody. I recently just did some ribs for Canada Day, and I just wanted to share with you what I did for the rub and for the mop. It was pretty simple and straightforward. The first ingredient that I used for the rub was a brown sugar. We used a pound of brown sugar, and then I took some of that Oak Ridge BBQ Gold Edition Smoky Chili Lime all-purpose rub, and I mixed about a quarter to a half cup of that in with a pound of brown sugar and mixed that all up, and that's exactly what I used for the rub on my ribs. So when I got that all done, I packed that onto the ribs so it's on there thick and makes a nice thick crust. Then I take a beer, and I had Corona on hand, so that's what I used, and I poured that into a bowl. And then I took the Garlic Box garlic grilling sauce, poured that in there, and then I took my leftover rub, about a cupful of that, and mixed that in there as well, and that was my mop that I used to baste the ribs with while they were cooking. And that's it for this tip. That was a simple, easy to make rub and mop for your ribs on the grill.